Let's go guys! Manglakaw na sa damag to na sa gym guys. Ayan. Let's go! So guys, good morning to all of you and then good evening Philippines. Ayan. So dito sa Minnesota, good morning talaga here guys. So sa ngayon, before I go to gym, my husband treat me to eat the McDonald's. Ayan. Yeah, for my breakfast guys. So we're gonna go to McDonald's guys to eat my breakfast. Samahan niyo akong pupunta doon guys bago tayo mag-gym. Ayan. Samahan niyo ako guys. Ayan. Napaka early kaya dito. 8 yeah, 8 in the morning. So there, I think it's 10 there too in the Philippines. So hi my followers here and hi everyone. So for now, today is Monday. And then before I go to the gym, so I need to have my breakfast. So I'll go to the McDonald's for my breakfast there guys. So I really like the, I'm used to their coffee and then their pancake. Yes, so that's my breakfast for today there. So samahan niyo ako guys kasi pupunta tayo doon. So let's go! Yan. So, grabe talaga guys, may sun talaga ngayon guys. Napakalamig. Even we have sun here but grabe talagang lamig guys. Sobra. Too cold. So, ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa McDonald's. Ayan. Parang malapit na tayo. Ayan, nakita ko na yung letter M guys. Ayan. Malapit na tayo sa McDonald's guys. And then the McDonald's, it's too close to the LA Fitness. Ayan. So, ayan, si McDonald's guys, nakita ko na, ayan. Gonna turn left to go there. So, doon pala yung Kylie guys, kung saan tayo bibili ng mga medisina natin. So, kahapon nandiyan kami, ayan, bumili kami ng, yung medicine ko. So, ayan, nandito na tayo guys. Ayan, papunta na tayo dyan, mag-breakfast ako dyan guys, samahan ako mag-breakfast dyan. Ayan, kasi bago ako mag-gym, dapat mag-breakfast muna tayo ng McDonald's here in Minnesota. Ayan. So, nandito tayo sa Minnesota, kaya dito tayo mag-eat sa ating breakfast guys. Ayan, stop tayo dito. Okay. Nandito na tayo sa McDonald's. Ayan. Nandito na tayo guys. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng McDonald's. Ayan. So ito yung McDonald's dito sa Minnesota. Ayan. Oh, ayan guys, nag-order na kami ng coffee dyan. Yan, nahulid pa yung ano po. So, ayan siya yung pina-order ko guys, yung partner na partner ko pala, sorry. Ayan guys. So, hanap tayo kung saan tayo uupo kasi parang dito tayo para hindi talaga. Yan. So, ang ganda kaya ng nila dito, yung McDonald's guys. Yan. Malaki yung McDonald's pero sorry guys kasi wala pa talagang tao eh. Tayo lang. Ay, may isa pa lang akong order. Ayan. Nice here. So guys, this is my breakfast for today. I have my McDonald's cafe. Ayan. I have my coffee here in McDonald's. So, this is my pancake, guys. And, oh my God. So, ito pala yung pancake, yung ano nila dito, guys. Nakakaiba, guys. Ayan. Akala ko pancake lang yung in-order ko. Tapos, meron pala akong eggs. Tingnan nyo, guys. Napakarami kaya. Ayan. Iba pala dito sa US, guys. Nag-order ako ng pancake, but meron akong ganito. Ayan. Ayan. Kasama pala yan, no? So, hindi natin akalain meron pala akong eggs at saka, ayan. Saka, meron akong coffee. So, yan ang hobby ko. Ayan. Drink kami ng coffee. Good morning, honey!
Good morning.
Yeah, that's my husband. Yan.
Here's your butter.
Oh my God, I can eat this. Oh my. So let's eat that. Done na, guys. I'm done na to eat the breakfast, but I will still have because it's a big breakfast, guys. So I'll bring na lang. Okay, so I'm done here. So I'm done for my breakfast here. So let's go to the gym. So I'm gonna go straight to the LA gym, guys. Okay. So we're here in McDonald's, guys. So bye. Bye for now. Ayan, guys, tapos na tayo doon, guys. Ayan, papunta na tayo sa LA Fitness, guys. Ayan. Diretso tayo sa LA Fitness, tapos na tayo dyan sa McDonald's, guys.